Hey guys, my name is Ray Tang, inventor of the double eyelid forming tapes, also known as Optifold Cosmetics. So I wanted to recap one of the more profound things I experienced as an entrepreneur this month. Sometimes working as an inventor, doing an online product where we ship the product to the clients, but we don't necessarily interact with the clients in person. And especially now with COVID-19, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So I find sometimes having that lack of communication with the customer can't really feel the human warmth in our communication when it's just on text. So one time I got this testimonial email written by one of you guys, and it really showed us the impact the product had on the person's life. And so I had an idea with the testimonial that I wanted to hear it. And so I was able to translate the testimonial to a voice recording. It's the real testimonial, it's just that it's now articulated with the voice. And when I heard the testimonial, I honestly felt like it was hearing a loved one's voice. I can remember the times where the kind of work I put into this job and with each of the clients, and I felt so touched that the person can remember all the work that we did. And so hearing it by voice for the first time, it really felt like I was hearing the voice of a loved one. And so I really want to share you this recording and hope you guys enjoy it. All right, see you next time.
Hi, Ray. I just really want to thank you guys for changing my life. My eyelid is back to normal now. I don't have to depend on my eyelid tapes anymore. I used to be super depressed in regards to my eyelids being uneven. It came as a result from scratching because of my eczema. I was so self-conscious and it just looked weird. I went to a dermatologist and I showed them my uneven eyelid, and they said I had no hope but to get surgery to fix it. I found this on YouTube and I tried it, and it's the best decision I've ever made. You were so responsive in helping me in regards to my lack of confidence in the product, but I kept pushing through. The customer service offered was 12 out of 10, and you were so detailed in telling me how to cut the tapes. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. You seriously changed my life. I really, really appreciate it. I told my cousin about this, and he purchased it for $75, I think. You are the best. Thank you. If I didn't believe in myself that there were other alternatives other than surgery and listened to the dermatologist, I would have stayed a self-conscious person if I wasn't led to this eyelid tape. You're a genius.